Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to link Greenlight card to Cash App. So it's actually pretty easy, you just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Cash App application. Now from the home screen, you need to look for your profile, which is located at the top right of the screen, and just tap on it. Now from there, the next UI will appear and you need to look for the link banks option and just click on it. Now from there, you need to look for the link bank option and just tap on it. And from there, you just need to follow the prompts that they will be asking for you. So they will be asking for your card number and other details about your account, and from there you just need to link your account and finish the setup process, and from there you'll be able to use your Greenlight card, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.